Step 1. Eligibility requirements. Before you can become an armed security guard in New York State, you must qualify for both General Guard registration and handgun licensing. To qualify, you must be at least 18 to register as a guard, be at least 21 years old to apply for a pistol license, be legally authorized to work in the U.S., pass state and federal background checks, have no felony or serious offense convictions under New York penal law, possess a valid government-issued photo ID. As a local note, New York's firearm rules vary. New York City, Nassau, Suffolk, and Westchester each operate their own licensing divisions with stricter criteria. Always verify county-specific firearm procedures. Step 2. Confirm whether you need to be licensed as an unarmed guard first. In New York, yes you do. You must first complete the 8-hour pre-assignment and 16-hour on-the-job training and hold a valid security guard registration card from the Department of State. Only after that can you attend the 47-hour firearms training, which upgrades you to armed status. Step 3. Before you can carry a firearm, you need a New York State pistol license. Most counties require you to apply through your county sheriff, clerk, or local police. Be 21 or older, submit fingerprints and background checks, provide references, or attend an interview. Pay local licensing fees, which vary widely. Outside New York City, apply through your county office. Within New York City, the NYPD License Division handles all applications. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Complete the 47-hour firearms training course. This is your armed guard upgrade in New York. I have another video that gives you an overview of what you can expect in a 47-hour course that you can watch after this. This DCJS approved course covers New York Penal Law, Article 35, use of force and deadly force, safe weapon handling and retention, range qualification with live fire, de-escalation and reporting procedures. Once completed, you'll receive a DCJS firearms certificate, the official proof required to register as an armed guard. Step 5. Gather every certificate and document you'll need for your upgrade application. You'll need unarmed security guard registration card, pistol license, 47-hour firearms training completion certificate, valid photo ID, passport style photo, any applicable waiver or equivalency letter. This process has a lot of moving parts, so I made a quick PDF checklist with every step, link, and cost in one spot. You can grab it on my Beacons or Etsy pages here. Step 6. Complete fingerprinting for your armed guard upgrade, even if you were printed before. Schedule through an approved vendor like Identigo. Bring valid ID and your armed guard service code. The fee is typically $100 to $120. The prints go directly to DCJS and FBI for security guard registration. Step 7. Submit your armed registration upgrade to the Department of State. You'll need a copy of your pistol license, 47-hour training certificate, existing unarmed registration number, fingerprint receipt, and required application fee. Here's a timeline tip. The pistol permit process is the slowest step. Expect the entire journey from unarmed registration through firearms training to take 12 to 24 weeks, possibly more depending on county wait times. Step 8. Let's talk cost and how much more armed guards make in New York. Starting from scratch, the 8-hour pre-assignment and 16-hour on-the-job training is $50 to $100. Fingerprinting $100 to $120. The unarmed registration fee about $36. The pistol permit, for example, in New York City, about $340. The 47-hour firearms course can be from $500 to $1,000. The total estimate is $700 to $1,600. If you're an already licensed unarmed guard, the pistol permit cost varies by county. The 47-hour course, $500 to $1,000. Fingerprinting, $100 to $120. The total estimated is $600 to $1,200. Please note that the costs exclude the cost of your firearm, holster, and gear. Those vary by brand and employer policy. And for perspective, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median wage for New York security guards is $20.52 an hour, or $42,680 a year. But according to Indeed, armed guards in New York average $29.18 an hour statewide. That's about $9 an hour per hour more for going armed. Step 9. Once approved, your armed registration card will arrive by mail. Keep it active. Renew every 2 years and complete within that time 2 8-hour in-service guard courses and 2 8-hour firearms requalification courses. Failure to requalify suspends your armed status. Step 10. Now that you're certified, search for jobs on sites like Indeed. Join r/GuardGuides guides to compare experiences, and check my beacons and Etsy pages for tools and templates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.